Very good morning, dear students. Let's summarize fiber to fabric. In ancient time, people used barks, leaves of trees, animal skin, and furs as their clothes. Slowly, with growing civilization, they learned to weave twigs and grass into mats and baskets. Stitched fabric came much later with the invention of needles. Look closely to a fabric. You can see many yarns in it. These thin yarns are made up of still thinner strands called fiber. Take a piece of fabric, take out yarn from it. Now press one to another end of yarn along its length with needle. You can see that yarn splits into thinner strands. These thinner strands are fibers. Fibers are of two types: natural fibers, artificial fibers. You are wearing cotton clothes in summer season. Cotton is a natural fiber. Cotton, jute, flax, coir, hemp, these are the natural fibers. They are obtained from plants. Silk is obtained from cocoon of silkworm and wool is obtained from fleece of sheep, goat, rabbit, yak, camel, etc. The artificial fibers such as synthetic clothes we are wearing that we are not using near fire or while working near the fire because they can catch fire easily. They are made up of man-made artificial fiber. That's why called as artificial fibers. Their examples are rayon, polyester, nylon, terylene, acrylic. You may have made the cotton wigs for earthen lamps. They are made up of cotton. These cotton plants can be grown into black soil and in warm climate. The fruits of cotton plant after maturing burst open and seed covered cotton obtained. Also, jute fiber obtained from stem of jute plant. It is cultivated during rainy seasons. The stems of harvested plants are immersed in water for few days. Then stem rot and fibers are separated by hands. Similar way, flax is also obtained from the stem of plant and it is used to make linen clothes. How making of fabric from fiber? Yarn is used for making a fabric. For making fabric from cotton fiber, cotton is picked by hand from cotton balls. Then fiber from the seeds is separated by comb. This is also called ginning. Ginning can be done by machines also and by hand also. Do you know how yarn of cotton is made? Take some cotton ball, fix one end with one clip, another end with other clip. Hold two clips in two hands and pull out the cotton. Twist the cotton continuously till it finally turns into a yarn. The simple device used for spinning is a hand spinner or a takli. Charkha is also most famous during freedom fight. Now making of fabric from yarn. Fabric is made by weaving and knitting a yarn. Now we'll see how it can be done. See these mats and bags. These are made by weaving the yarn. Weaving can be done by the looms. Looms are of two types. They are hand operated looms and power operated looms. You can also make mat with few thin ropes. Take few ropes of yellow and blue color, weave the yellow and blue stripes one by one as shown. Similarly, two sets of yarns are used to make a fabric. Next process is knitting. You may have nice sweaters. They are knitted fabrics. Socks and many other clothing items are knitted fabrics. Knitting can be done with single yarn. It can be done with the help of hands also and with the help of machines. Thank you children. Hope you